Hello beautiful people, Yasmin here. Welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Today you're in for a phenomenal, fantastic treat, as I always say. I am sharing with you the recipe for these very moist, super delicious grilled chicken patties or chicken burgers if you want to use them as a burger. I am serving these with my brown rice recipe today that's been cooked in an instant pot. These have marinated for about 2 hours in a beautiful marinade of sesame oil, soy sauce. It has corn in it, cilantro, coriander, cumin. It's so simple. It's super, super delicious. This will be your new go-to chicken burgers. So stick around long enough and you'll be able to see how I put together these incredibly delicious burgers. While you stick around, don't be shy, hit that subscribe button. Get the printable recipes on our food blog. It's darn good. I added 2 tablespoons soy sauce. I'm going to add sesame oil, about 1.5 tablespoons. I'm using sriracha seasoning, about 1 teaspoon. You can adjust this to your taste bud. It's a bit spicy. I'm adding sea salt. This is 3/4 teaspoons. You could adjust that for your diet. I'm using 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. Okay, to this ingredients, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of pressed garlic. You could dice finely or chop finely. 1 tablespoon fresh thyme leaves. 1 tablespoon fresh oregano leaves. Okay, I have here 2 pounds of organic chicken. This is ground chicken. I'm mixing up my marinade ingredients. Let's pour that on. To this, I'm adding 1/2 of an onion, medium, that's been finely diced. 1 cup of corn. I'm using frozen corn, but you could use fresh. And now I'm just going to mix this all together. You want to mix it thoroughly until everything is combined. I'm going to cover this and refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours. Okay, so I've had the chicken burger meat marinating up to 2 hours. Works perfectly. So what I want to do now is I'm going to divide this into 8 portions and just make patties about 1/4 of an inch thick. You can certainly make larger burgers if you want, but you would have to cook it longer if you do that. So as I shape these into patties, I like to grease my hands with olive oil. It makes it easier to shape, and I shape the meat while it's cold as well. And also the oil helps to prevent it from sticking too much to the grill. Okay, so I've had the grill preheating anywhere from 450 to 550 works well. I like to take it up to 550 because once you open the grill, the temperature reduces. And these chicken patties or chicken burger cooks very quickly. Okay, so now it's time to get these on the grill. And I'm going to cover the grill. Okay, beautiful people, the patties are on the grill. You want to keep the grill covered as much as possible, and because it's chicken patties and it's not fatty, even with the oil that I used on my hand to shape it, it wouldn't necessarily flare up at a 550-degree temperature. Okay, beautiful people, so I've had the patties cooking for about 6 minutes on the first side, so it's time to flip it and have it cook on the second side. Whoa, look at that. I usually cook my chicken patties or chicken burger quarter-inch thick, anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes. Always perfect for a quarter-inch patty. It should be cooked well done. Cover it again and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. So that was about 6 minutes, anywhere from 5 to 6 minutes, and it should be ready. Okay, for these patties, I'm actually not adding cheese, but if you're adding cheese to the patties, you could do that during about the last minute to 2 minutes, so that the cheese melts nicely. Okay, beautiful people, I think these patties are ready, so let's take a look. Wow, how beautiful do these look? Look at that. See that? It's beautiful. Yep, look at that. Amazing, amazing. Look at that, people. Beautiful, if you could just smell it. Look at this, beautiful people. You all know what time it is. My favorite time, tasting. Wow, look at this. It is perfectly flavored. It's moist, it's tender, you get that nice crunch from the corn. Absolutely delicious. So I do hope you'll take the time to try making this recipe and enjoy it as much as we do around here. Until next time, happy cooking!